Hey guys, Alyssa here at Sipkens Nurseries, and I'm standing out here in our front field wearing my Miracle Max Minion t-shirt because we are growing sunflowers once again this year. So I'll turn the camera around to give you a little bit of a better look and an update. So the seed went in during that dry spell, and even though we watered it in, during those hot drought conditions that followed, the plants slowed down their growth considerably. So we don't have great height in the field like we normally do. We didn't get all the germination we wanted, but this field is budding and it's going to produce some flowers. So we expect blooms in the next few weeks, and we'll announce on our Facebook page when the field will be open for pictures. This field's going to be great for children and pet photos, and we encourage you to bring out the blankets to get down to flower level and take those amazing photos, all the while supporting a great cause we all know and love.